per. I'm coming a whole new vibe. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Odyssey. But y'all, in today's video, I'm kind of doing like an inventory unboxing, and I'm gonna just be showing y'all some of my new pickups that I got. I got some stuff from Shein, and I got some stuff from Abyss, and I got some stuff for my business. So we're gonna open this first. But y'all like my new hairstyle that I tried to do today? It's cute or whatever I tried. But yeah, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna show y'all, because I already opened it. Because I had to see it, y'all. Like, I just had to look at it. If you don't know, I do have a lip gloss business, and your girl supplies are pretty essentials. This is the before, and these tubes are like, they're like stickers, so I stick those on there. But y'all, so I found a new vendor and someone who can print my logo on my tubes. This is the first one. It has a little heart and it says Odessyjbeauty. Everybody was loving this one. Like, I like it too, but this one is the one that I originally had in my head ever since I started my business. I always wanted my tubes to be white tops, and I wanted Odessyjbeauty to be white across it. Yeah, real mom, real cute. I'm kind of stuck between both of them. She sent me some samples, so that was all that was in this box. So y'all comment down below which one y'all like, which one y'all think is cuter. But I think I'm gonna go with this one. Follow my business page and y'all gonna see, because I'm releasing these around October time. So y'all just stay tuned for the vibe, because it's gonna be a vibe. Next package is, y'all hear that? I'm about to have the girls cute this summer with the pretty essentials. You know, y'all be sleeping on AliExpress. They stuff be cheap and it be good quality. And every person that I talk to, they say, oh, I don't like ordering on there because they take too long. But me, I'm gonna order on AliExpress because they got everything. Okay. These came in a week and a half, y'all. Like, these do not take long. Y'all be sleeping on AliExpress, y'all wanna wake up. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I'm trying to throw a little hint in there when I was doing like this. This is the next thing. Your girl is selling angel number necklaces for summer. I told y'all I'm coming a whole new way. I'm coming a whole new vibe. I got 4 for 4, some ones, and I got some gold ones, and then I got some 2s. I got some more 4s and gold. Y'all see the one I got on right now? This is a 444 necklace, and it is so cute. And it has the right amount of length. I'm gonna drop them at the end of May, and y'all see how pretty it is? Just look at it. Look how it's shining right now. So I have all these, and I'm gonna open them and organize them with y'all on my shelf. But we're about to keep going with the packages. Next, y'all, we got Abyss. If y'all don't know what Abyss is, go look it up on Instagram. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. Once you look it up, it's gonna be self-explanatory on what it is. So this is my cousin's brand. If you don't got no Abyss in your closet, what are you doing? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna insert some pictures, because I took some pictures for his brand for his Valentine's Day drop in the pink one. But then he had a giveaway, and I entered the giveaway, and I won it. So it was like me and another person, and I won the red one. And this is in a size medium. Like I said, this is the Valentine's Day drop. Y'all can still get it though. I think it's still available. It says, I think I'm falling for you. And it's in red. It's a t-shirt. And he makes t-shirts. He makes like hoodies and stuff like that. It's really cool. He like makes it from scratch. Like, it's like handmade. Go shop with my cousin. I'll have the link in the description. Next, we're on Shein. A little backstory. I ordered this stuff for my cousin's birthday, but then she canceled it. So yeah, that was that. I don't blame her though, because we woke up and it was snowing outside. I don't want to go nowhere either. Y'all know the shirts that the girls be wearing that's trendy right now. I got one of these in red. I'm trying on for y'all. And then I got these pants. They like have the little, they have this little V, you know? And they're like cargo pants. These are real stretchy. Yeah, I got this to go together as a little look. I'm forgetting it's winter outside. I don't know why I got this, but oh well. It's cute though. And I got this little set. It's green. And if you guys didn't know, her birthday is on St. Patrick's Day. So I also got this one just to match the vibe. And then it comes with this little top. So let's go try it on. All right, y'all. So these are the pants. I just had to give them their own moment. Size small. The only thing I don't like is like they're high waters. I don't like when pants be high waters for real. But they still cute. This part is the best part of them. This is the top. Let me get a little close up with the pants. Yeah. V cut makes it look even better with the top. Like, you're not about to sit here and tell me that this ain't cute. Little strings too. I think you're supposed to tie them something like this, but I don't like that. Them hanging just, it looks good like that. So yeah. So this is a better look at the shirt. I changed into some brown leggings so y'all can get the full effect. Go shop with my cousin and show him some love. Odessyjbeauty.com. So this is the next piece. I also got this in the small. I bag up. I got some flare pants. This is like giving summer. You about to go on a trip. I love Shein so much. Like, they can do no wrong in my eyes. If y'all want to get this set, I got it in the small and I weigh about 140. The pants are a little bit like loose, but it's not to the point where you like have sag and stuff right here. It is kind of, but like not really. Like, it fits the body. One thing about me, I know how to put an outfit together. I'm not like no fashionista or nothing like that, like whatever y'all want to call it, but I know how to dress. All right, y'all, so this is the next thing that I'm going to do in the video. Like I told y'all earlier, I'm going to put my necklaces in the bin and put them on my shelf.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just these slides in both ears. Ice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I die.
That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the glosses to restock and follow my business page for when the angel number necklaces drop, because you don't want to miss it.